Hello everyone. So my name is Smriti Sharma and today I welcome you all once again on our channel Aspire Salesforce. And today we are with a new topic, object and fields and records in Salesforce. So let's start it. So as you can see, a Salesforce object, it is basically a database table which contains the columns as well as some fields. It basically in Salesforce, we can say that a simple example of an object is a database table. It also contains records. Records are the rows which is used to store some value of the objects. Then there is fields. Fields are basically the columns of the table. We have total three types of objects in Salesforce: standard object, custom object, external object. This is a small example where I have shown you a table which contains name, email ID, address, date of birth, and salary. So if you are looking at this example, which is there in some Excel sheet or somewhere, you can easily understand what I am about to say. For example, there are points. Table in Excel sheet is called as object in Salesforce. You can assume like that. Column of a table is called as fields in Salesforce, and row of the table is called as records in Salesforce. So column is what? Email ID, address, these are all column, and rows are these, which has name, email ID, address, all the things are there. So these are the rows. So rows, you can see that these are the records in Salesforce language, and in columns it is fields. Now we'll understand the different type of objects. So standard objects, the objects which are already created by you in this by the Salesforce platform, that are standard objects. They are already created by default. You are not creating that. Salesforce has already created that for you. So that are standard objects. These are the objects which are already existing in Salesforce platform to manage the configurations and setting of the environment. Once you log inside the Salesforce platform, you can see the available objects. So standard objects you can see by default Salesforce has given to you, and you can use them directly. For example, account, contact, lead, and opportunity. These are some of the examples of the standard object. I can show you once we are logging inside the Salesforce platform. Custom object, these are the objects which are created by you based on your business requirement. We can create and customize many Salesforce objects to meet the needs. So custom objects are the ones which we are creating as per our requirement or as per our needs for any type of work. So custom objects, we can customize ourselves. We can customize its fields, its setup, everything. We can do it ourselves. So that is why it is custom objects. It can be deleted as well. While standard objects, you cannot delete them because it is given by the Salesforce. So only they have that right to delete or not delete them. But if we are talking about the custom objects, if we are creating a custom objects for any type of requirement or any type of use, we can delete it as well. This is a major difference. External object, the objects which you create map to the data stored outside your organization. External objects are similar to custom object, but external object record data is stored outside your Salesforce organization. So external object we don't use much, but yeah, these are the objects which is where data is getting stored outside your organization or outside the outside your outside your Salesforce organization. So that is what external object is. Now, what is fields? Simply in fields, we also have like objects, we have three types. The same ways in the fields also we have two types: standard fields and custom fields. Standard fields are default fields which are built in Salesforce. They cannot be deleted. Again, the standard fields are the ones which are given by Salesforce to us. There are some fields which Salesforce have already given to us, and we can use that for the custom object as well as for the standard object as well. So these are the fields which are given to us by the Salesforce, and we cannot delete them. While the custom fields are the one which you are creating as per your requirement, again as per on the standard or custom objects. So these are called custom field, and we can easily delete them whenever we don't need them. Now, type of custom fields is like if we are creating the fields, we get these options in the Salesforce. Auto number, which is automatically assigning a unique number to each record. Checkbox is there, which is allowing you to create a check boxes. Okay, so that a value, a record can be true or false based on your requirement. Currency, which is allowing you to enter a currency amount. Date is used to enter a date or pick a date from any of the calendar. Date and time allow users to enter date or pick up date or any time of the day. Email is allowing users to enter an email address of up to 80 character, which is validated to ensure proper format. This is basically email is used, which is basically validating that email format is correct or not. That's why it has given a fields. Salesforce has given us this field email. Formula field is also there, which is allowing users to automatically calculate the values based on the other values of fields such as merge fields. Now, lookup relationship. This is a relationship, basic relationship between two records where they are associated with each other, and master detail is the one where they are entirely dependent on each other, like a father-son relationship. Like if you are deleting one, then other will also be deleted. If you want to understand in detail about this lookup relationship and master detail relationship, you must see my previous video. There you will get a better idea about what are the relationships in the Salesforce. Number, it is allowing users to enter any type of number. This number is treated as real number and any leading zeros can be removed. Now phone, pick list, text area, these are also some types of custom fields. URL, it is allowing users to enter any valid website address. Okay. So now let's go to the Salesforce org and see the details section. So as you see, we are on the home section. So you can see some standard objects here: accounts, contacts, opportunities, as I mentioned there. So let's go to account section. So this is account section. Okay. So here we don't have any of the records. So let's go to the fields section. View fields. Now you can see here it is account standard fields. You can see account, currency account. These are field labels and field names. And this is data type. So you can see the standard fields here created by Salesforce themselves. Okay, so we cannot, change them or delete these. But if you see here, we have custom fields and relationships for account. So these are some of the custom fields, and you can see that someone has created it. The name is also there, and you can delete it as well. A major difference which you can see in the standard fields as well as custom fields is in the API name. So here you can see in API name it is _ C. If you can see address _ C, connected contact _ C. So this is wherever this is getting attached _ C, that means it is custom fields. While if you see the standard fields, they are just the straight ones. You cannot see _ C or any other type of API name for them. Okay. Now let's go to the custom objects. Now you can create the objects. If you are creating the objects, then it is custom objects, because as you know, standard objects are already there. So custom objects are the one where you can see that these are the custom objects. You can create a new custom objects, and these are the custom objects which are created it. So I'm not creating it because I have some of the custom objects already created in the past. I'll show you that only. Let's go to this student entries. So this is the student entries, and here we can see fields. Okay, so if you go up, these are the standard fields, and this is the custom object. So you can see here the API name is again _ C. So this is again a difference between a custom object as well as a standard object. So you can differentiate them with the help of the API name. Okay. Now, if you see, there are some standard fields created by currency. You can just see the standard fields. While if you are seeing the custom fields, you can create a new custom field as well as per your own needs. Let's create it and show you. Now see, these are different type of custom fields, as I told you when we were in the PDF. So let's create a text field here. Field label, I'm just saying test field. Okay. Length, we are giving it as to a 30. Okay, and next. Now again, you don't have to check these things. I'll tell you these things in detail afterwards. We're just creating it. Okay, save. Now you can see in below the custom fields and relationship, this test field underscore underscore c. This custom field has been created by me text just now. Okay, so this is the custom field we just created on our custom object. Now let's create a object. So we will go to setup and see how we can create the objects as well. Now you can create objects from here. Okay, so now new custom object can be created from here. New custom object. Now label, I can say you test custom obj. Okay, description is not the necessary part. Let's go to save. Okay, sorry, we are getting this error. One second. It comes automatically, but no ways we can enter it. Now you can see this custom object is created. This is custom object, that's why you can see it is underscore underscore c. Okay, now if you are going to student entries, this is a type of a custom object, and we can create a student entry inside that. For example, we can create a record inside that. Student entry name, I have picking Raj count. Okay, so this is all about the records, fields, and the objects. Thanks to you all for listening patiently, and let me know in the comment section if you have any doubt. Please like my video and subscribe to the channel, and do press the bell icon so that you get the early notification whenever my new video come. Thanks. Thank you so much.